Barbecue. We are camping tonight because there's a full moon. Sanag bulan. Yaj. Ano ina nga?
Tinuga.
Tinuga. Creature of the night.
Sigbin.
Sigbin. Half human, half goat. It's our local version of the sento. Creature of the night.
Kapre, miss kapre.
Kapre. It inhabits the trees. Really big, hairy, and smokes a big tobacco. Ara.
Ano?
Dewende. So little people like dwarves. So we call them in Ilonggo dewende or dewende?
Dewende.
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 Oo, tiktik. Nakun layo ko, no?
When you hear the tick 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 sound, when it sounds far, it's actually near.
If it sounds near,
Sounds near.
far.
Actually far.
That's what tiktik is.
And what does tick tick becomes? It becomes aswang. Aswang ng tick tick. So
Tigbaliw, bla.
tigbaliw is morphing, transformation, shape shifter.
Animal
Shape
shifter.
shifter.
Animal shifter.
Tigbaliw! Yaj! Sita! Magpakita ka!
Kung nga nalawas mo.
Ano?
Kung ang akong lawas na kautod, kay itago sa puno kasaging.
Oh, ano na siya nga tinuga?
Manananggal.
Manananggal. It's a
Butangan, asin,
creature
ang
of the
hindi pa rin
night
nakabalik mo.
that separates and the upper part flies into the night with a big bat swing.
Kaon sig binog na.
And the way to defeat the manananggal is to wrap the body, sprinkle
With salt. In order to take
with
it back
salt.
to their kaplan.
Ano na siya nga tinuga?
Tyanak.
Tyanak.
Tyanak. Tyanak is an evil baby.
Like my baby.
Or a phenomenon. It's not a creature, but a phenomenon. Called
Santermo.
santermo. In English, it's called the Saint Elmo's fire. In Ilonggo, santermo. Murto. Murto is a ghost. From the Spanish word muerto.
Morto.
In Ilonggo,
Morto. More than one.
more than one. Ginalain sang dewende and kama-kama. What's the difference? I
Smaller
think
than dwarf.
dewende and kama-kama are the same.
Hindi.
Ang dewende or Tagalog?
Oo, kaya kamay Ilonggo.
Kama-kama is Ilonggo.
Oh, yung duwende, ya, gamay, saya. Nga amon, ang kamakamay, gagmay, paginin sila.
The kama-kama are smaller than the dewende.
May
Pala, half horse, half man. It's also, I think it's as big as the kapre, a big creature with the head of a horse and the body
And
of
there's
a
a saying that
man.
if you
Get the gold hair.
get the golden hair,
You will be
all your wishes will
granted.
Get the golden hair of the tikbalang, he will grant all your wishes. Oh yes, the diwata, wood nymph. She lives in the forest, a beautiful enchantress. This is Joan of Arc. Hey,
Diwat na diwat, ganyan ka basa.
happy Halloween! I love you all.
Nanaog ng marshmallow.
Okay. Ano na yan? Swang na yan.
Wala ka, no?